Hello guys and welcome back to Wave of Wealth. Today I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on Shopify. So what we need to do here is to go to our admin.shopify.com. This is your, of course, interface of your account. Down below we can see on the left side settings option. You can press on it and be redirected, of course, to the settings of your store. Down below we need to scroll. So 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth option is payments. You can press on payments, guys, and then we can see plenty of options here. Payment providers, you can choose a provider, supported payment methods and everything. Payment capture method is here as well, but down below is something that we need for this video. Manual payment methods. Payments made outside your online store, orders paid manually must be approved before being fulfilled. You can press on it right here, and here you can choose from create custom payment method, guys, that suits yourself and Shopify as well. Bank deposits option, also money order and cash on delivery. So as I said, guys, what you need to do is to press on settings, go to payments right here, scroll down a bit, and then just select your desirable payment method.